Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm presenting you my final project. My name is Fry-Mancha, and this is my California droughts and human rights to affordable access to water resources. Selection for my project in sustainable resource management, I am focusing on droughts in California that's been going on for well over the last 1,000 years, water affordability, and human rights. And this is the Poseidon project that was supposed to become a desalination plant in Orange County, and it really the Poseidon project agreed that most likely drinking water for disadvantaged households in California moderately or severely less affordability. It was trying to do this offset, but it just kind of didn't go anywhere. It's really sad. Justification for this project is that I've been living in California for the last 35 years, and we only seem to have like one season. I mean, historically in California, it used to snow here in the Inland Valley below Big Bear and so forth, and now it's like there's no snow whatsoever. It's really kind of sad. And the thing is that if we do not start taking care of our water, infrastructure and how to fix it, I mean, we're really going to start dehydrating people, and it's great because we can die if we don't have enough water in our system after 3 days. I mean, it's really sad. In the literature review, I just want to let you know that this is the first time I've actually seen a project where they focus on infrastructure related to people living in poverty, moderate homes, and people who are in deep poverty, which means they barely even make $1,000 in a year. I mean, it's really, really deep on that one, and they had to build their own data set on how to do this measurement. I mean, they didn't even leave the data set or Excel sheet or anything for us to do. They just copy pasted and said, "Here we go. This is what we got in the project." And this is how we got our scoring, and this is how what we're estimating. So really inspiring. So I wanted to take a crack at it myself too. I mean, it's just really good. So for my research question, has human climate change caused more droughts in California, forcing the government of California to target low-income families to ration water resources first for others? The alternative is that it was not human climate change causing the droughts in California, but natural causes within the environment itself, not the government's, and it's not the government's blame for high prices on water. Confidence level is at a 95, and the significant statistical equivalent is at 5%. So here is my statistical description of how droughts have been affecting us for the last 10 years. And that goes for every ethnicity group here. It affects everybody. Even at the extreme levels, it affects everyone. And not in a good way. So the highest bill in California is Susan County, and they pay about $180 per month on sewer and water, and people living in poverty are paying approximately about 49% of their income just to cover it. I mean, it's just, well, it's just their taxes and benefits and medical too, but also this one utility bill just only leaves them with $20 at the end of the month. Here's California back then. Here's California now. Compare the two, it's getting worse. Here's my results for my tests. Really amazing. Results came out that yes, they are targeting people who are lower income. Here's my solution: is solar atmospheric water generation. This would be really great for families who are poor because it can generate a whole entire year's worth of gallons of water within a matter of minutes. Thank you and have a great day.